Hidden beneath deserts, jungles, and even ice, lie secrets that have completely reshaped our understanding of human history. For thousands of years, clues to our past were buried, waiting for the right moment to be unearthed. These discoveries aren't just about old rocks and pottery. They're about decoding the stories of our ancestors, how they lived, how they ruled, and what they dreamed of. Today, we're recounting down 10 of the most famous archaeological finds that revealed the incredible ingenuity and complexity of ancient civilizations. Get ready to journey back in time. Our first stop is in Egypt. In the year 1799, French soldiers, while building a fort, stumbled upon a dark, unassuming slab of stone. This was the Rosetta Stone. It might not look like much, but it held the key to unlocking an entire civilization. The stone featured the same text written in 3 different scripts: ancient Greek, Demotic, and Egyptian hieroglyphs. For centuries, hieroglyphs were a complete mystery. But because scholars could read ancient Greek, they could finally decipher the Egyptian symbols. Suddenly, thousands of years of lost knowledge from royal decrees to everyday life were readable again. It was the ultimate codebreaker, opening a direct line to the world of the pharaohs. Fast forward to 1922. Still in Egypt, where British archaeologist Howard Carter made a discovery that would capture the world's imagination. After years of searching in the Valley of the Kings, he found a sealed doorway. Behind it lay the tomb of Tutankhamun, the Boy King. What was so special? It was almost completely intact, untouched for over 3,000 years. The world watched in awe as Carter revealed its contents: golden shrines, intricate jewelry, chariots, and of course, the stunning solid gold burial mask. The tomb wasn't just a pile of treasure, it was a time capsule showing the incredible wealth and detailed burial rituals of New Kingdom Egypt. It gave us a personal glimpse into the life and death of a pharaoh. Next, we travel to China in 1974. A group of farmers were digging a well when their shovels hit something hard. It wasn't a rock, it was the head of a life-sized clay soldier. They had accidentally stumbled upon one of the most astonishing discoveries of the 20th century, the Terracotta Army. This massive underground army, with thousands of unique soldiers, horses, and chariots, was built to guard China's first emperor, Qin Shi Huang, in the afterlife. Each warrior has a distinct face, hairstyle, and armor. This incredible find showed the immense power of the emperor and the remarkable skill of the artisans who created this silent, eternal guard, frozen in time for over 2 millennia. From an emperor's tomb, we move to remote desert caves near the Dead Sea. Between 1947 and 1956, a Bedouin shepherd, searching for a lost goat, tossed a rock into a cave and heard the sound of shattering pottery. Inside were ancient scrolls, hidden away in jars. These became known as the Dead Sea Scrolls. They are some of the oldest surviving manuscripts of the Hebrew Bible and other ancient texts dating back over 2,000 years. Before this discovery, the oldest known manuscripts were from 1,000 years later. The scrolls gave scholars an unprecedented look at the evolution of religious texts and the diverse beliefs of Jewish communities during a pivotal time in history. Let's journey high into the Andes Mountains of Peru, to a city that was hidden from the world for centuries. In 1911, the American explorer Hiram Bingham was led by local guides to the breathtaking site of Machu Picchu. This Incan citadel, perched on a mountain ridge, is a masterpiece of engineering. The stones are cut so precisely that they fit together without mortar, and the city's design perfectly integrates with the natural landscape. It was likely a royal estate or a sacred religious site for Incan leaders. Abandoned during the Spanish conquest, it remained a secret to the outside world, preserving a stunning example of the Inca Empire's architectural genius. Now we go even further back in time, over 20,000 years ago, to a cave in France. In 1940, teenagers and their dog, Robot, discovered the entrance to what is now known as the Lascaux Cave. The walls inside were covered with over 600 vibrant paintings of animals like horses, bulls, and deer. These weren't just simple doodles, they were powerful, dynamic works of art created by our prehistoric ancestors. The paintings offer a rare and beautiful window into the minds of Paleolithic humans, showing us what was important to them and revealing their capacity for symbolic thought and creativity long before written history began. Our next discovery takes us to modern-day Turkey, to a site called Catalyuk, dating back to around 7500 BCE. This isn't a tomb or a temple. It's one of the world's earliest known cities, but it was a city unlike any we know today. There were no streets, people entered their homes through ladders from the roof, and houses were built right up against each other. It was a dense, honeycomb-like settlement where thousands of people lived in a relatively egalitarian community. Archaeological shows us a crucial moment in human history when people first began to transition from a nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyle to living together in large, organized agricultural communities. From an ancient city, we turn to one of the world's greatest mysteries, Stonehenge. Located in England, this prehistoric monument of massive standing stones has puzzled researchers for centuries. Built in several stages over thousands of years, with the largest stones erected around 2500 BCE, its purpose is still debated. Was it a celestial observatory, a healing center, or a ritual site for ancient ceremonies? The sheer effort required to transport and erect these giant stones suggests it held immense importance for the people who built it. Stonehenge remains a powerful symbol of ancient ingenuity and our enduring quest to understand the spiritual and astronomical beliefs of our distant ancestors. In AD 79, a catastrophic event gave us an unparalleled glimpse into Roman life. When Mount Vesuvius erupted, it buried the nearby cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum under a thick blanket of volcanic ash and pumice. While a horrific tragedy, the eruption acted like a giant time capsule. The ash perfectly preserved buildings, mosaics, everyday objects, and even the final moments of the city's inhabitants. By excavating Pompeii, archaeologists have been able to walk through the streets of a Roman city, see food left on tables, and read graffiti on walls. It provides a vivid, detailed, and often poignant snapshot of daily life in the Roman Empire, frozen at the exact moment of disaster. Our final discovery for today was found frozen in ice. In 1991, hikers in the Alps on the border of Austria and Italy discovered a human body melting out of a glacier. This was no modern mountaineer. This was the Iceman, a man who lived and died over 5,300 years ago, during the Copper Age. Because he was so perfectly preserved by the ice, scientists could study his body, his clothes, his tools, and even his last meal. He carried a copper axe, a bow and arrows, and a backpack. We even know he had tattoos and suffered from various ailments. Provides an incredibly detailed personal story of survival, technology, and violence in prehistoric Europe. From an Egyptian stone that unlocked a language to a frozen man who told us his life story, these discoveries have forever changed how we see the past. But this is just the beginning. The stories buried beneath our feet are far from over. In Part 2, we'll explore lost cities that were once thought to be myths, uncover ancient machines that defy explanation, and reveal wonders that challenge everything we thought we knew about history. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more amazing journeys into the past.